Hi everyone. So today we have with us Ishani Chaudhary, All India rank 50 in ALET 2026 and All India rank 295 in CLAT 2026. Huge congratulations, Ishani. Superb rank. We're proud of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for having me here. I feel extremely fortunate to be a student of Career Launcher.
Oh, great. The pleasure is all ours. So, I would like you guys to know that Ishani was part of our 2 year program. And Ishani always believed in please work in silence and let your success make the noise. And that has proven very well in case of Ishani. So, Ishani, let us know about your preparation strategy. How has your ride been? कैसे पढ़ाई करी कैसे प्रिपेयर करा हाउ डिड यू वर्क ऑन योर स्ट्रॉन्ग एरियाज हाउ डिड यू गो अबाउट योर एरियाज ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट लेट अस नो
Sure. So, when I was in 10th grade, I decided that I wanted to pursue law and make a career out of it. So, after my board examinations, I decided to enroll myself in CL so that my preparation would be a guided one and alongside other law aspirants as well. So, little by little, I basically started learning from scratch, be it LA classes, VA, LR, QT, and GK. So I learned quietly but very passionately, and I imbibed all the lessons one by one. Then slowly and gradually, we progressed with mocks as well. I'd also like to mention that I took special interest in Pulak ma'am's legal aptitude classes, and that's when I told myself that I've definitely picked the right field for myself. So yeah, if
Great.
I'd like
So
something.
good to hear. So, Ishani, please let us know about importance of reading newspaper. Newspaper पढ़ना इस पूरे process में बहुत important है. कितना important है? क्यों important है? आप कौन सा newspaper पढ़ते थे? कैसे पढ़ते थे? Please let us know.
So, reading newspapers is something that the CL mentors always emphasized a lot from day one, I remember. And I basically used to read The Hindu every single day. And the thing is that the more you read the newspaper, it becomes less of a burden and you start taking interest in it. And the more I started writing mocks and attempting different passages, I really understood that reading newspapers not only helps in working on your reading speed, but you also get exposure to a variety of topics, and
Correct.
that makes it much easier to comprehend information in a shorter period of time.
Correct. So not only from GK's
Yeah.
perspective, speed reading,
Yes.
editorial, dealing with implied based questions, and make it a habit. You initially might find difficulties कि क्या हो रहा है. धीरे 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 start with a genre that probably interests you, and slowly and gradually it would be a habit. So to everyone listening out there, please do not ignore reading newspaper. It's very very important in the entire process. My next question to you, Ishani, would be mock ka process in itself is very challenging, complicated, at times nice, at times not so good experience. How important it is to take mocks? Could you please emphasize on the importance of taking mocks? Also on your graphs, how did your graphs go from here to there, and how did you work on it?
So CL had a very, very rigorous and regular schedule of mocks, which definitely helped me upskill myself in a very stable manner. So we had three sets of mocks. So we started with some warm-up mocks. We moved
Correct.
on to prime, then countdown mocks. We also had all India mocks in between. So mocks definitely played a very crucial role in my preparation. It definitely helped with time management. Then after every mock, I would upload my answers on the portal,
Portal,
and
yes.
I would get an in-depth analysis of all the where I went wrong, what I could have done better, where I
Correct.
stand on an all-India level. So it definitely these there were small nitty-gritties it helped with, and talking
Analysis, you're saying, is very
analysis
important.
is very important if you really want to
No,
up your
no, that's
marks.
quality over quantity,
And
yes.
if I talk about my mock graph, I think if I remember correctly, my first mock, it was warm up mock, and I scored 68 points something in there. And then it was a series of scoring in 70s, then going on to 80s, then going on to 90s. Like I think towards the end, like the last month, I was mostly in the 90s, and just like 2 weeks before the actual CLAT examination, I also managed to touch 100 and 108.
Great.
So it has been a very interesting
We also went outside to give you real CLAT exam feel.
Yes,
Did
we
that
went.
help?
Yeah, that helped a lot. We went to a different college. It was a totally different setup. We were issued admit cards. We were asked to carry our identity proofs. So it was a really good simulation of what the real exam
Actual.
environment might look like.
Correct, correct. Great, great, great to know. So, how, like, if I talk about GK as a subject, it's very, very vast. How do you go about the entire GK thing? How does one go about the entire GK thing? Because बहुत fast है and हर दिन everything, some or the other new thing is coming up. So how did you work on your GK part?
Firstly, reading newspapers played a very key role in going through the GK process, just being updated with the headlines. Apart from that, I relied a lot on the LST Manthan. So I used to glance at the daily Manthan, note down a couple of points, then it would be released on a weekly basis as well. So I would make notes accordingly. A lot of times I used to keep the data in a tabulated form so that it would be a little easier to focus on certain keywords and stuff. So the idea is to actually, if you go through the previous year question papers and try
That
to find a
helps.
pattern regarding the things which are mostly asked, like any summit or any important bill or which is passed in the parliament. So these are things that you must be updated about, and that's pretty much how I went about the GK section.
Okay, great, great, great. Now in this entire process, stress होता है, कभी बहुत अच्छा भी जाता है, कभी बहुत अच्छा नहीं जाता, right? How important is it to take breaks in the entire process?
So obviously it's a very hectic journey and taking breaks is extremely crucial. I'm not someone who believes in studying 16 to 18 hours a day. The idea is to be more productive in a shorter period of
Smart
time.
work,
And
yes.
I'd say my parents played a very big role in like trying to keep me stress free. We would go on staycations from time to time.
Oh, nice.
We would go to a restaurant on a weekend or something like
Anything
that.
that de-stresses
Anything that
you,
de-stress. I
right?
would watch a movie at times with my mom. So yeah, these are small measures.
Staycation, watching movies. So
Yeah.
please do something that de-stress you.
Yes.
That's I mean like a very very good idea. Just keep yourself going. It is okay to take breaks. So for everyone listening out there, जरूरी नहीं है कि अरे break ले लिया तो आप guilt में जा रहे हो. Break लो. And break लेने के बाद obviously you come back stronger. So it's very very important. Okay, one message that you would have for the law aspirants out there, for everyone who'll be writing CLAD, ALET next year or in the coming years, or for anyone who want to pursue law as a career, एक piece of advice, एक message उनके लिए.
For all the future aspirants, I would say work in a very meticulous manner, plan strategically. There's no point putting in loads and loads of hours into preparation. Plan properly. And the main thing which helped me on the day of the actual exam was just staying calm and just go one question, just take one question at a time. That's it. The idea is to just stay calm and work meticulously. That's it.
Stay calm. That's very important. जितना stress लोगे उतना गड़बड़ होगा. One very important question for you, Shani. You have been a school topper for the last 11 years. तो मतलब school में topper last 11 साल से यहाँ एक pressure कि अच्छा perform करना, and you've here performed like you were one of the toppers at CL. So how did you balance the pressure of performing amazing at school and then excelling here? Pressure, of course, feel करती होगी. How did you balance both?
So I have always been an achiever at school, but when I came to CL, I did not have that hangover at all that I'm doing so well. The idea was to start learning from scratch again, going from one section to the other. If I talk about my strategy at school, in 11th, I tried to keep my focus more on the CBSE curriculum so that by the end of the year, I would have a good aggregate score in 11th. But in 12th, I took a step back from it. I prioritized my law prep a little bit more. I would obviously attend school, write all the possible exams, but I felt it was okay if I did not score as per my expectations in school because the main focus was CLAT, IELTS, and other law entrance exams at that point.
Okay, so prioritizing and not मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा pressure mind में नहीं सोचना जो जब जैसे important है. नहीं नहीं, perfect perfect. Career launcher का क्या role रहा है आपके पूरे preparation journey में and आपके इस entire CLAT journey में what has been the role of CL?
So the reason why I enrolled myself in CL was to get a proper, organized preparation strategy. I'd say the mentors were always very approachable and open to taking any doubts. The mocks were the most important part of it. I'm really grateful to CL for always keeping us updated with mocks and other worksheets and a lot of assignments. We would have online classes at times. Even after CLAT, we had classes for IELTS as well. And CL has been there throughout this journey, and I'm really grateful that I was a student here.
No, no, we are super proud of you. And now I would like to invite Ishani's mother. Ishani's mom is also here with us. So we welcome you, ma'am, please. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome to CL, and huge congratulations to you too. The victory is yours, and we're super proud of Ishani.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm absolutely indebted to Career Launcher because the way you have really groomed Ishani She was always a focused kid, but you know, that extra push, that grooming, and that fine tuning was totally required. And I'm a working lady, just to know that she has enrolled in the best place in Noida and they are taking care of her preparation really made me feel very assured at all times. So I'm particularly grateful to Career Launcher Noida.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. It's time to celebrate. And like we say, once a see a light, always see a light. So आपके doors, हमारे doors आपके लिए हमेशा खुले हुए हैं. You welcome here anytime. And we wish you all the best for future endeavors. We're sure you'll rock at college too. And काफी मेहनत कर ली, अब party करो, chill करो before you actually land into college.
And I just want to add one more thing, because I'm a professional. I know Career Launcher is very professional, but the personal touch that I've got from each one of you, that I felt like Himanshu sir reaching out before the exam, on the day of the exam, Pulak ma'am being available till 12 at night for pre-exam queries. I really value this personal touch more than anything else. This is what makes children totally dependent on you in some ways, and you are also in the same way giving back to the children. So I would say that's absolutely fabulous. I'm not entirely sure this personal touch is there at every coaching center. So you have really transcended just a mere coaching center. You have all been really fabulous at that. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Pleasure is all ours. Thank you. All the best. Thank